Whoa. Right, so it is the morning after. And so what does that make it? That makes it the 12th. And yeah, I didn't book in for breakfast, but I just brought myself a coffee and a chocolate muffin. It's a bit skittish down it, and yeah, lovely stuff here. I was in a room of 4. Full room. I got bottom bunk, which actually worked out quite well because the beds are short because of the nature of the room. It's a very small room, really. I was first in, so I managed to get dibs on beds. And there were 3 chaps that were with me. One was a cabbie. He was doing a fare from Heathrow. I think he was from Shropshire, I remember him saying. Then there was I've never got his name, I can't remember. I don't think I got his name at all, actually. He was it was sort of a scout leader type role, from what I could establish. And he'd stopped the night from Grantham, so he was off dealing with a load of kids for today, so he stopped the night instead of driving down. I don't blame him for what I think was £16–17 last night. Really paid the same rate I had. And then there was a oldest fella, well, I think he said he was 70, and he was visiting family today, so he come down yesterday on public transport from Long Eaton. So it's like, man, it's a small world, Grantham, Long Eaton. But I'm just off to Tesco's because I brought an old netbook with me to offload footage from my 2 cards. Well, I actually have my 2 SanDiscs, but I actually carry a spare 32 gig generic card with me as well. And that is taking, I should have done it last night, but I was absolutely knackered. And I didn't. So it took probably about an hour to just take 5 half-an-hour clips. So I'm not going to have a card ready in time. I should have thought ahead, really, being USB 2.0 and starting it last night, but oh well. So I'll have a quick run to Tesco's at Guildford. What time before Hippo-Drones appears, and he's informed me that Big Pez will be joining us. So I don't know what they'll be coming on, if he's coming with Pezza. I know I said no to the off-roady stuff, it's too, not with these tyres. But he was saying if it was wet he was going to bring the speed triple, and if it was dry he was going to bring the gutsy, or guzzy. So, don't know what Pez is going to bring. It's not like he's got a lot of choice. I think, from being honest, I think Pez might come on the on his, I can't think what it is, BMW 650. And I think Hippo probably the speed triple, possibly the beta. So let's go for the quest for micro SD cards. If not, I'll be asking them pair, where can you buy them from? Oh, there's Newland's Corner! Well, I should have recognised that. I should have recognised that. The amount of videos I watch of, oh god, Hippo-Drones, Mr. Fist, Pezza, and they come past Newland's Corner. I was like, that view looks really nice, but yet really familiar. That's why. What are you doing? Guildford Superstore. Parking, any motorcycle parking? No, but someone's parked there, so that's what we're all going. Right, so micro SD card acquired. Rather pricey, £23 for a 64 gig card. But needs must. So I will have to buy it. So, just a quick run back to the hostel now. And just tidy up a bit. And put my waterproofs up because I'm going to bring them out with me. Well, it looks pretty good. I don't particularly fancy chancing it, so if I've got them with me, then I have them. So that's my thinking. Says to be back for 10 to. Quickly brush my teeth as well before Pezza and Hippo-Drones turn up. My shoulders this morning feel fine. I think it's just obviously going through London. It was a lot of muscling. A lot of muscling the bike around. I think that was what was starting to kill my shoulders a bit. Filtering. Oh. Wrong gear. And there's the Wetherspoon, so that's where I might go for dinner tonight. Guildford's a busy old place. Talking this morning, and I think I might have mentioned this already. If I have, I'll cut it out. But obviously I found the bed's a bit firm, very firm, but they gave in to you. As I say, I slept perfectly fine. I mean, I went to bed about 9:30, and I'd say I didn't wake till about 6:30. That's a good, and I didn't take long to drop off. So I'm liking this hostel. Definitely one of these I think I'll be using again. God, Jesus. And I've spotted all of them on the way through. Oh, yeah. Fuck, forgot about that. Oh, that was nearly a slide.